ना मनीष यहाँ पे मनीष इसको ना प्लीज मनीष यहाँ पे मनीष यहाँ पे मनीष लेफ्ट साइड ओवर हियर मनीष मनीष ओवर हियर मनीष यहाँ पे मनीष यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट मनीष यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट मनीष स्ट्रेट
थैंक यू वेरी मच
Excuse me.
Actually, मैं अभी ये start कर रहा था मैं start please sit down. Yeah. All right, Farhan, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand, come on once again. All right,
लेकर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा
sorry,
आपकी जगह लेकर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा
sir. मैं चाहता हूँ मैं भी आपकी जगह ले पाऊँ, but it's okay, never mind. वो बात करेगा, उसके भी secrets मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, but Farhan, you tell me, you're the brand ambassador for Dulux Velvet Touch. You're an actor, director, amazing singer, और इस बार तो मतलब आपने कमाल ही कर दिया आपकी फिल्म में. आपका एसोसिएशन जो है वेलवेट टच के साथ उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
well यही कहूँगा कि it is a philosophy of a brand that I completely agree with when I first met with them. It's about expressing yourself, about who you are, so whether I'm a director or I write or you say sing or act. To me, to have the tools to be able to express myself in whichever way I want to is very, very important. That makes me who I am. So it's not only just about what you do in your life as your vocation or as your job, it's also about how you express yourself in other things, the clothes you wear, you know, the car you drive, or then the way your house looks, the walls in your house look. And what's in your mind is on your walls, I thought was very, very appropriate to the kind of person even I believe, or I would like to believe myself to be. So this is another way of showing that.
Okay, another thing I wanted to ask you, जब आप इतना creatively अपने house को decorate करते हैं, कि creatively बहुत help करता है. Actually अगर ऐसा तो मैं definitely करना चाहता हूँ, because मैं भी थोड़ा creative आपकी तरह बनना चाहता हूँ.
तो आप पेंट लगा के घूमेंगे?
अगर उससे creative होता है तो मैं तो पूरी body में Dulux लगा के आप बताओ.
मुझे लगता है कि like they say, you eventually are the company you keep. You know, so that affects your personality. उसी तरह से what you surround yourself with, if it's books, if it's movies, if it's music, the kind of people that are around you, it's similarly the world that you live in and that you occupy, which is the color that you see every day. It affects your mood. There is no doubt. I think there is enough research done to know that. I think it makes a huge difference. You know, if you want to, whether you want to prove it to somebody else in life, show it to somebody else, or then just for yourself, as who you are, what you've acquired, what your dreams are, you know, something that could inspire you every morning, something that could help you relax more when you come back home. So it depends on what it is you're looking out for, but it makes a huge difference, I feel, your immediate environment that you live in, and the color especially.
All right, and what makes Farhan Akhtar, you know, the man with the velvet touch?
I don't really know what to say. I think it's really finding the courage to follow my dreams. I think is very, very crucial, and I think like again what this brand stands for, and I think what Manish has done spectacularly with it, is he's given people the ability to express who they are in a way and in a manner that would be very becoming of them, would show the world who they are, and I think that's the one thing that I feel is a good fit. I'm really looking forward for them to move on to the man with the golden touch brand as well very, very soon. So hopefully, but really, I mean, I think to me it's about self-expression, and I think the brand, what Manish has done with it, what they are doing with it, and will continue to do so. I hope I can be part of it.
All right, and we've been talking about glamour here, and if you're talking about glamour, how can we forget Bollywood? And if you're talking about Bollywood, how can we forget this gentleman sitting here, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, he has draped the leading ladies and handsome hunks of cinema for over 2 decades now. And coming out with his latest autumn-fall collection inspired by Dulux Velvet Touch. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and only Manish Malhotra. All right, Manish and Manish, ये दो थोड़ी नाइंसाफी है, क्या लगता है?
हाँ, we are on the currently escaping from the law. Manish ने हमें चारों तरफ से घेर लिया, ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है।
सब अलग-अलग साइजेस में भी हैं, स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज।
लार्ज? नॉट बैड। चलिए साइज की बात नहीं करते, आगे बढ़ते हैं। और मनीष, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, आपकी ये जो नई कलेक्शन है एंड एसोसिएशन विद Dulux Velvet Touch, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
मेरे लिए फैशन इन मूवीज इट्स बीन 23 years of costume design and for me it's always been colors. तो जब मेरे काम की बात आती है फिल्मों में या in mainstream fashion, it's always about colors. And so for me, when I got associated with Dulux and we are launching celebrations, via Dulux I'm reaching out to people's homes and like Farhan Akhtar rightly said, it's all about self-expression. For me, I think when you come home, a house should reflect what you feel. You should feel good about it. You should feel, okay, you're in a whole happy atmosphere and feel relaxed. So here we are with Dulux launching celebrations, which is going to make you feel life's a celebration. So there are going to be some interesting colors. We are also launching a fabulous color, which I love very much, which represents our culture, our heritage, red. And my entire couture collection this season has been inspired by red and old world blue, and what we are mixing them is with lovely metallic shades of dull gold, metallic silver, and old traditional Indian motifs. So your home's going to feel okay, life's a celebration, and when you come home and if you have Dulux paints on, you're going to feel life's a party.
All right, and if I talk about the new Dulux Velvet Touch celebration, you have handpicked 15 colors.
Yes, 17 actually.
17,
yes.
All right. So, क्या thought था? What made you pick up only those 17? Why?
Well, it was about this season that we wanted to go back to culture, we wanted to go back to tradition, and red representing Sindoor, red representing marriage, red representing every auspicious occasion that we celebrate in India. So red was where it came from. Blue is, I think, the new black. And it's masculine, it's feminine, it's very interesting, and so we've been using a lot of blue in clothes, and I thought it would be a nice way to get it at homes. And there's a lot of grey, we'll use a lot of metallics, we've used interesting pinks. I think it's time that homes reflect, have like a whole amalgamation of colors. So there is a soft wall which is maybe ivory, and then suddenly you have this interesting wall which is a color that catches your eyes. So that's how it is, and that's how the whole collection came through.
Big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Manish, your shades. The lady in red.
Sorry?
The lady in red.
Can I just feel the velvet touch? That's for me, lady. I love you too. How are you? Show right. I love this book. I don't have to read much. I can just look at the photographs. I love such books. Farhan, I just wanted to ask you. I can see the dress here. Where's the lady gone?
I don't know, Manish. Is that your place?
I think I should rush home then.
You're supposed to look at the decor of the wall.
Oh yeah, actually I was looking at that only, but I just saw the dress also hanging there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to collect your own limited edition of this book. With that, I think it's time for the Q&A. So, can we start with that, sir?
Sure.
All right, can we?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so much.
I know you get a little embarrassed when people ask you about how fashionable you are and how stylish you are. But recently, for the past few events, you've actually been sort of the most stylish, and now this is again another fashion and style brand. And Dulux can be called a fashion brand, I assume. So now I think you can say you are quite fashionable, and you can say you kind of, think over fashion a lot, yeah?
Well, I think everyone has their own sense of style. This is something I've always maintained. And at times, how I dress may be in season, and at times how I dress maybe not. But I think it's very important, again, just coming back, I think, which is the important decision to have been made to go ahead and have this creative association was with people who, again, are providing you something to just be who you are. I think that's very, very important. You can only be truly comfortable and only be truly relaxed if you're comfortable being yourself. The minute you're catering to somebody else's idea of what's good looking, not good looking, stylish, not stylish, somehow you're not being you. So it's very, very crucial that you feel that way. And if something allows you to, whether it's clothes again or, like we said, the color on walls, if that freedom is there for you to be able to express yourself, that's all you want.
Manish, he, like I was just telling, he always humbly proclaims that he's himself all the time, and he actually doesn't. So you tell me, out of his his fashion quotient, honestly, how would you say? I mean, he's got his own style, he's effortless, he doesn't try too hard. So what about you? What do you think about Farhan's style?
Well, I think Farhan, I've known him since years and had the little privilege of working with him in Dawn for Kareena. So I think style reflects in everything that you do, the way you speak, the way you do your work. Your work reflects your style, in which I think Farhan in every sphere. I was just telling Atul, like, whether he, he's been a singer, producer, director, actor, and in everything he's been extremely stylish. And I think more than anything else, he's had his own his own space, his own individuality. So I think that's what makes him truly stylish.
Great, I'm going to ask one last thing. I don't see too many hands around, so I'm going to take the advantage of it. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Okay.
I think you can go and sit down.
I think she's asking on everyone's behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, just relax. We have the lady. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want Manish to, go ahead and pull up people and make them ask questions. Okay, Farhan, what about your house? And you mentioned here that you are trying to, you're kind of inspired and you want to make it more stylish. What is your idea of that perfect home, and that perfect wall? And that?
For me, the idea of a perfect home is let my wife decide what she wants to do.
Intelligent man.
Hello, my question is for any Manish.
Sir, any Manish? Sir, बाहर भी दो खड़े हैं, उनको भी बुला लो अंदर.
First thing, what do you mean by velvet touch? And second question is, are you going to add more colors? I mean, after 17, are you interested to add more colors as and when?
ये question I think मेरी तरफ लग रहा है.
सर ये तो choose कर नहीं रहे, मैं तो hosting कर रहा हूँ. सर आप ही कर रहे हो, आपके लिए.
तो इन्होंने order दिया सिर्फ 17 colors. Next time जब बोलेंगे और colors, so I'll come up with more colors. So you're the boss.
सर आपका कोई personal favorite for the lady in red? सर बता दो कोई नहीं. It's okay, sir. Everybody likes the lady in red. Okay, moving on.
Hello, good afternoon, sirs. Manish, yeah, for you. Yeah. Hi. Of course, your present fashion trend, emblem, everything is well known, and you do change your stylization of the fashion often on, which is required. Can we change the wall colors that very often?
No, you can't. So it definitely, but you can change a part of it, and just changing that little bit of it can give you a complete different look. So I'm a person who loves ivory or beige as walls, but there's this one wall that can reflect your mood, can reflect a fashion trend, can reflect a change that you're looking at. Sometimes changing your wardrobe, changing a color in the wall in your house just makes you feel different, and it's that difference that takes you ahead and makes you feel better.
Thank you. But with the change, as I've mentioned, can this color accept the patching up, like you change the color on the wall?
Ji.
A part of it again, if of course looking to the weather we have, we would love to change that part which is not standing its time. So can
traditional clothes, we introduce borders. So you could just retain the whole wall color, but just add a border to it, and that could make the wall look completely new and different.
now I know the secret of your style. Only a little change and will make a lot of
Tradition,
change.
tradition, and tradition.
Tradition. Fashion comes back after 20 years, 10 years, 30 years. But this will, I suppose, should be everlasting, but not lasting as it would say, okay, now I don't want to see my wall, I want to see it back in one of the 17 shades.
I
That's it.
think today, whether it's movies, we were just discussing that, or whether it's the ads that you see on television, we're all celebrating India. If you've noticed, like everything is becoming very cultural, rooted. So the entire collection is also very, very rooted. It goes back to tradition, and I think as Indians today, we're all so proud of like wearing Indian clothes all over, or looking at movies which are getting more and more organic. And I think that's what it is. So the new trend everywhere around, whether it's food, whether it's movies, any kind of art and culture, is about celebrating India.
Thank you. Just one from Shakta. He himself is very stylish but very sober. But when he gets out to make a film, he makes it colorful. Is
Thank
that
you very
correct? Thank you. Yes.
No, sorry, I'll just add one thing to what you were asking, Manish, about changing the color, changing a patch. I think what's human beings are also constantly changing. Who we are, we're constantly developing, learning new things, visiting new places. Our personality keeps changing as well. And with that, I think apart from, I don't know whether it's your whole wall, you can make subtle changes to things in your house. So like going by Manish and the clothes that he does, I'm sure he'll tell you that a pocket square of a different color will completely change the look of what a person is wearing, although it could be exactly the same suit that was worn the previous night. So it really is your experiences that eventually add up to what it is, your house. So whether it comes in the form of photographs, in the form of a thing that you buy somewhere and put in a corner, or then something that you just change on a little corner of a wall. But that change is constant, it keeps happening.
Everybody would love to do that, provided other aspect is considered the cost, which their lights can afford, and the time. So sometimes the relation has to be established between the cost and the change.
But maybe a little bit more thinking before you put something on the wall, more than the cost actually.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Manish. Manish here.
Okay. Which one? Can you stand up? We can't see you there.
Yeah.
There's a camera in between. Yeah. Fine.
Hi, Manish. My first question is to you. As we all know, Farhan is a multi-talented personality. He's a director, actor, producer, singer, poet, and whatnot. So, which color do you think will define Farhan's personality the best?
Farhan. Well, I think white looks really nice, and then black looks really nice. I mean, that's an Indian sherwani or a bangala or the blazer that he's wearing. He carries everything so well, but I think he loves muted colors. I don't think he's a person who would go for very bright colors in his clothes. Am I right?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Except for my socks, I guess.
Yeah, which is I think really trendy, and so that's what it is. That's I think what his signature style is.
And Farhan, there's an offbeat question. As you come from an Indian cinema, Indian film industry, as we all know, Dilip Saab is not keeping well and has been hospitalized. What do you need to say on this?
Well, I just wish him a speedy recovery. He is one of the most influential actors that we've ever had. And his presence is something that's very reassuring for everyone. So I just wish him a speedy recovery.
And talking about colors, Farhan, which is that color which you feel, that suits you or suits Manish the best?
That suits me or Manish?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the same
question
color.
for Manish,
The
same for you, sir.
I thought the same color.
Yeah.
I really don't know what it's a very mood related thing, to be honest. What color you'd like to wear. But I think Manish is right from whatever, I guess this is a part of his job to notice what people are wearing. So he's noticed a lot more, I guess, of what I wear than I have of what he wears. I'm sorry, Manish. But the fact is that I think Manish, of course, he's a lot more experimental, I think, in colors and with his clothes than I am. I'm definitely a lot more sober when it comes to my clothes, apart from my socks, as Manish pointed out.
Photo up now? Can we all be there?
Thank you.
Come. है ना बिल्कुल सीरियस से हो गया है ना मेडल लेने के बाद लुक ये रख दूँ? चलिए।
मनीष, सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहेंगे कि इस समय आपका जो फेवरेट रंग है वो कितना और ज़्यादा कलरफुल होगा, क्योंकि 25 तारीख नज़दीक आने वाली है।
देखिए, मेरे तो इस टाइम ज़िंदगी जो है वो बिल्कुल रंगारंग हो रखी है, बिकॉज मेरी फिल्म 25 अक्टूबर को रिलीज़ हो रही है, मिकी वायरस, और काफ़ी नर्वसनेस मैं पहली बार फील कर रहा हूँ। जैसे कि सब जानते हैं, मैं स्टेज पे जाता हूँ तो मैं अलग ही हुआ होता हूँ, लेकिन इस बार थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस है। आई होप सब पसंद करें।
इसके अलावा जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या मतलब क्या खास होने वाली इस फिल्म में, मिकी वायरस में, क्या मनीष का रंग वही सेम है या कुछ बदलाव होगा?
नहीं यार, आप मनीष को भी फुल अलग अलग रंगों में देखेंगे। अभी तक आपने मनीष पॉल को सिर्फ हंसाते देखा है, कॉमेडी करते देखा है, लेकिन इसमें मैं एक्शन भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं रोमांस भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं थोड़ा सीरियस भी आपको नज़र आऊँगा फिल्म में। तो काफ़ी सारे रंग हैं, एंड देखते हैं कैसा रहता है।
एक्शन करना ज़्यादा पसंद है कॉमेडी?
नहीं यार, देखो, मुझे एंटरटेन करना अच्छा लगता है, चाहे वो कॉमेडी में हो, एक्शन में हो, ड्रामा में हो, रोमांस में हो, किसी भी तरह हो। मैं हर एक को यही बोलता हूँ, मैं एक एंटरटेनर हूँ और मुझे एंटरटेन करना अच्छा लगता है, तो वो जैसे भी हो।
आपके साथ दो खूबसूरत लड़कियाँ, लेडी में एक्ट्रेस भी हैं।
जी हाँ, देखिए, पूजा है जो मेरी नहीं यार, मन क्या फिसलना था। मेरे साथ एली अब्राम है, मेरे साथ पूजा है। एली मेरे ऑपोजिट हैं, पूजा मेरी फ्रेंड बनी है फिल्म में। तो ये दोनों लड़कियां हैं, एंड काफ़ी अच्छी हमारी टीम वर्क रहा, एंड एंजॉय किया सबने काम करना।
जी, आप जानना चाहेंगे आपका फेवरेट कलर कौन सा?
मेरा फेवरेट कलर यार, मैं एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत सारे कलर्स पसंद है। ब्लैक मेरा वैसे काफ़ी फेवरेट रहता है, लेकिन अगर कलर्स की बात की जाए तो मुझे रेड पसंद है, ब्लू पसंद है, ऑरेंज पसंद है। मैं बहुत कलरफुल, मेरे आप कभी भी बैग्स देखेंगे, बड़े कलरफुल बैग्स होते हैं मेरे शूज़ हमेशा कलरफुल होते हैं। मैं येलो कलर के शूज़ पहनता हूँ, रेड कलर के शूज़ पहनता हूँ, तो मैं काफ़ी कलरफुल आदमी हूँ।
मनीष, सिंस इट्स अबाउट कलर्स, यूएस में मिस नीना करके जो मिस अमेरिका बनी है, और जो सोशल मीडिया है पूरे यूएस का एंड अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, वो भी रेसिस्ट कमेंट से भरा पड़ा है कि क्यों एक अरेबियन गर्ल, एक इंडियन ओरिजिन की लड़की जो है उसे मिस अमेरिका बनाया गया। व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन?
यार, मुझे लगता है इन चीज़ों में रिलीजन या किसी चीज़ को नहीं लाना चाहिए। आई थिंक ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जिस पे कोई भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है, और उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, अपने टैलेंट के कारण जीती हैं। तो मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं। थैंक यू। मिकी वायरस 25 अक्टूबर, डू वॉच।
आगे नहीं जाएगा। हमेशा लेट है। मनीष